Surface Barrier is a state-of-the-art, water-based fluoropolymer impregnator that penetrates deep into stone and other porous surfaces. Unlike topical sealers, Surface Barrier creates a long-lasting, invisible shield that repels and protects against a wide variety of stains. With topical sealers, the natural beauty of stone surfaces is sacrificed for stain protection. With Surface Barrier, facilities can retain that natural stone look without sacrificing protection. Surface Barrier can be applied on a wide range of indoor and outdoor porous surfaces, while preserving the natural beauty and appearance of stone surfaces.